Welcome to Survey Core Pro. Today we are going to walk through a complete site survey workflow from the office to the field and back to a final interactive deliverable. We'll start by prepping a file for our field technician. For our demo, we will be surveying an existing CCTV system. To start, we simply import our blank floor plan, add a CSV index of our proposed cameras, and hit Export Survey. This bundles the data into a single file that we can email straight to our tech, who will open it in the Survey Core mobile app to conduct the physical site walk. The field technician will begin by importing the survey file into the Survey Core mobile app and selecting Open. This action loads both the floor plan and the associated CSV file that were packaged into the survey file from the desktop application. At the top of the screen, the navigation panel indicates that we are currently on page 1 of 2. To proceed, tap the right arrow to navigate to the next page. On this page, only the first column of the imported spreadsheet is displayed. This is intentional. Only column A is visible within the mobile app. Therefore, when preparing a spreadsheet for import, column A must contain the list of individual device names, while all additional data remains hidden from the field technician. This design keeps the mobile interface streamlined and easy to use. We will return to this screen shortly, but for now, navigate back to page 1, which displays the floor plan. While performing a site walk, the technician can document field devices directly on the map. To do this, simply zoom into the desired area of the facility and double-tap on the floor plan to place a pin. This action will immediately open the device camera, allowing the technician to take a photo or import one from the gallery. For this demonstration, we will use the gallery. To switch modes, tap the camera icon located above the zoom controls. This toggles between camera mode and gallery mode. With gallery mode enabled, double-tap anywhere on the floor plan, a pin will appear, and you will be prompted to select an image from the device gallery. Since this location represents the main entrance, select the first image and tap Done. Next, double-tap the location of the lobby dome camera and select the second image. At this point, 2 devices have been mapped onto the floor plan. If adjustments are needed, simply tap a pin to select it, drag it to the correct position, and then tap elsewhere on the map to deselect. Now we will assign names to these devices using the imported CSV file. While optional, this step is highly recommended for organization and clarity. In the navigation panel, notice that additional pages have been created, one for each image added. Tap the right arrow to return to the CSV page. Select the first row labeled Entrance Camera. You will see an option to link this entry to a photo. By default, it may display the most recently added image, for example, photo 4. To correct this, tap the current selection and choose the appropriate image, in this case, photo 3. Then tap Add Link. Once linked, the device name will appear in blue, indicating that it is now associated with the specific page. This is important because upon export, the final PDF will be interactive with clickable links that navigate between pages. Repeat this process for the second entry, Lobby, ensuring it is linked to the correct image, photo 4. Navigate forward using the right arrow. You will notice that the page title has updated from a generic label, for example, photo 3, to the assigned device name, Entrance Camera. This name is pulled directly from the CSV file. Continue navigating to confirm that all linked pages reflect the correct naming. Once all devices are placed and labeled, you are ready to export. Tap the green Export button at the bottom of the screen. The technician will be presented with several options for sharing the completed survey file back to the office. Keep in mind that email may not be suitable due to large file sizes when multiple images are included. After successfully sharing the file, we will transition back to the desktop application to complete the workflow. Once the fieldwork is done, the tech sends the completed survey file back to the office. Let's start a new project and import it. You'll see the floor plan and CSV are exactly as we left them, but now we have location pins and site photos attached from the field. Let's swap these generic pins for actual device icons. We'll select the first pin and choose a dome camera from our library. And change the second to a bullet camera. You can easily adjust the thickness and apply custom color tints to any icon. And if you need specific hardware, you can easily import your own custom icons. Just use PNG files with a transparent background. If we select our new bullet camera, you'll notice the internal link is already set to page 3, the photo page our tech created in the mobile app. We can change this routing here if we want to, but we'll leave it as is. Let's quickly rename this layer to Bullet Cam Entrance for our reports. We aren't limited to just what was marked in the field. Let's scroll through our library. Notice the helpful tooltips on hover. Select an NVR and drop it right into the server room using the placement tool. To map out our infrastructure, we'll use the multi-point line tool. We can route our Cat6 from the server room out to our camera, holding the Shift key to snap our cable runs to perfect 90-degree angles. A simple right-click ends the run, and you can always drag the nodes to adjust the path later. Next, let's project our fields of view. We can dial in the exact viewing angle and color for each camera to visually prove our coverage area to the client. Survey Core Pro lets you turn static data into interactive resources. Over on our CSV index, we can select a camera's model number and attach an external URL, turning that cell into a direct hyperlink to the manufacturer's product page. Let's go to the actual site photo taken by our tech. We'll drop a custom button in the corner, label it floor plan, style it, and link it back to our main map. This creates a seamless navigation experience in the final export. With the design complete, it's time to generate our deliverables. A single click generates an itemized takeoff report based on our custom categories. Finally, we export our master PDF. This isn't just a flat document. It's a fully interactive site map. Clicking a camera icon instantly jumps the viewer to the exact field photo. Our custom button routes them right back to the floor plan. The CSV data links directly out to the web. And at the very end of the document, the software has automatically attached our itemized takeoff sheet. From the field to the final quote, Survey Core Pro keeps your data connected.